I'm sure you've heard the statement, you have to see it to believe it. But that is a demonic statement. For Christians, the statement should have read, you have to believe it to see it, not see it to believe it. And that is the reason why most Christians are struggling to manifest the things that they desire. But yet the Bible says, all things are possible to him that believes. And the Bible says, without faith, you cannot please the Lord. And in Hebrews 11:1, the Bible says, faith is the substance of things hoped for, the evidence of things that are not seen. So the reason you are struggling with your manifestation is because you want to see it to believe it. But faith does not work like that. Faith implies that you have to believe it in order to see it. That means creating a visual image of the person you would like to be and the things you would like to have even before you have these things. That is how you put faith into action. Get a copy of my new book, IKA, which is The Christian Guide to Manifesting Successful Prayers. I will teach you how to create mental images of the things you want to manifest and how to attach the emotions to it and then anticipate the receiving of that desire. Whatever the desire may be, the Bible says, nothing is impossible to those that believe. Do you believe?